Today, you will learn how to create a bookmark in Word document. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Open Microsoft Word and go to the place in your document where you want to create the bookmark. You can simply place your cursor at that location, or you can select text, an image, a table, or any object you want to mark. Now, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top and click on Bookmark in the Links section. A small bookmark box will appear. In the Bookmark Name field, type a simple name for your bookmark without spaces, for example, Introduction or Table 1, and then click Add. This will save that exact location as a bookmark in your document. To visit your bookmark later, go back to the Insert tab and click Bookmark again. You will see a list of all the bookmarks you have created. Select the one you want and click Go To, and Word will immediately jump to that location. There's another easy way to do this as well. Go to the Home tab, click on Find, and choose Go To. In the Go To window, select Bookmark from the list on the left side. Choose your bookmark name from the drop-down on the right and click Go To. This is very helpful when your document becomes long and you don't want to waste time scrolling. You can make this even more powerful by creating a clickable link that jumps directly to the bookmark. Select the text that you want to turn into a link. Go to the Insert tab, click Link or Insert Link, or simply right-click the selected text, go to Links, and choose Insert Link. In the Insert Hyperlink window, click on Place in this document on the left side. You will see your bookmark names in the list. Select your bookmark you created and click OK. Now your text becomes a clickable link. When you click this link, Word will immediately jump to the bookmarked location. On some Windows settings, you may need to hold the Control key and then click the link. If you hover your mouse over the link, you will see the bookmark name in a small tooltip. If you ever want to edit or remove the link, simply right-click on it and choose the option you need. You can also delete a bookmark by going back to Insert, clicking Bookmark, selecting the bookmark name, and choosing Delete. This keeps your document clean and organized. If this tutorial helped you understand bookmarks in a very simple way, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more easy Microsoft Word tutorials.